Now that is probably the most common question I've heard over the last couple years, and it is quite a problem for a lot of homeowners regardless of the type of windows that you have. Now, condensation on the inside of windows is simply a result of excessive moisture in your home, and that emphasizes the need to use on a regular basis your kitchen and bath exhaust fans. Also, you want to make sure your heating and cooling system is working properly to keep your humidity in your house under control. Now, to see if you have any kind of a problem like that, you can pick up one of these. It's a very simple hygrometer. Only costs about $20, and it'll tell you exactly the percentage of relative humidity you have in your home. Ideally, you need it to be below 40% to control condensation on your windows. And in more severe situations, you may have to install a dehumidifier.